Ready? Yes, I'm wearing a respirator. I'm in a hazmat suit. Just kidding. I know the rinse is gonna be good. All right, all 41 cans are in. Take the sponges out. Yeah, I'm gonna take them out right now and probably just keep an epoxy. Thank you, Princess Play. Do I make something with it? Just make like a cleaning paste. Thank you, Ari, for the follow. Oh, you know what? I have a Home Depot bucket that we can use to save. You have to be up at 2:30 for work. All right, let's smooth this bad boy out. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the gifts. No, definitely play with this and mix at your own risk. Okay, girl, get it. I don't know why I watch this, but I'm in college and finals. And then you're gonna go to work happy. Look at how pasty it is. I need to get some more greenies. I know, it's so clumpy. Grab the floater. This one. It is. I need to get some greenies. Hi, Crystallize. We're gonna smooth it out the best that we can. Rub them into the sponges. This epoxy is breaking. Guys, if you guys are new, please follow. What are we at right now, guys? Thank you guys for selling me out. You guys are amazing. $78.69. problem. How long am I on for? We're gonna save and then do a rinse and then I'm gonna get off. I'm trying to just get all these little clumps out. Wait, what time did we get on? We got on like what, 9 maybe? Close to 9? Almost 6 months now. Whose life did we talk about that with? Everyone else. What? What do we talk about? Do you have another epoxy? I just have these, if they're considered epoxies, like the rubber epoxies. I know you guys want a greenie, but my greenie, let me show you her. I think if I put her in, she's gonna hit the end of life. I have this little, that one. Look at Greenie. Greenie is like a rag. I think we put her in, this is my Greenie. She can go in, but she's gonna get thrown in the trash because she's nearing the end. Oh, this one's actually good to scrub the bottom. Yeah, this one's the Greenie's last live. Oh, look at the hairs in here. Where's my epoxy? Yuck. Greenie's our girl. I know, Greenie will be missed. Everybody wear green tomorrow in honor of Greenie. We're not the best. It's a sponge, but it's like all tore up. Any grouts? Yeah, we were using some, but I took them out because they got really thick. I'm just scrubbing the bottom and then we'll save. Why do you call it an epoxy? It's the type of sponge it is. Thank you, Brandy. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight, guys. I know there was a lot of amazing people on tonight. Honestly, I was like, should I get on? Yes, we are 27 away from our goal for tonight. All right, let's save this bad boy. Let's save. The rinse is gonna be, yes, the rinse is gonna be so good. All right, let's save. Oh my gosh, I didn't add all the lusty. I'm gonna add it in the rinse, if that's okay with Brie. Oh, thanks, babe. I know, I need a huge one. There's something inside. I'm watching the safes. My son must be playing a game because he's pretty loud. This is heavy.